Good morning, everybody. Before going into applications of dual energy CT, we have to understand something. There is this dual energy CT is like energy dependent attenuation. Materials attenuate X-rays differently at various energy levels. The difference is more pronounced when X-ray beam energy is near a material's K edge, the binding energy of innermost K shell electron. See, this is the atom nucleus. This is K shell. We have two electrons in K shell. Normally, this X-rays will be coming, right? This X-ray photon, its energy should be more than the K edge of the binding energy of the K shell electron, so that it can remove this electron from the K shell when they use the photoelectric effect. So what they are telling, materials attenuate. What is this attenuate? Attenuation is a process where when this the material X-rays are passing, right? Some of the X-rays, there is decrease in when the X-rays are passing through this material, the intensity of the X-ray beam decreases because some of the X-rays are absorbed. So materials attenuate X-rays differently. This material, it attenuates X-rays differently at different energy levels. In dual energy CT, we use two energies, right? 80 to 100, 140. So materials attenuate X-rays differently at various energy levels. The difference is more pronounced when the X-ray beam is near a material's K edge, the binding energy of its innermost K shell electron. Next, we'll go to material differentiation. Conventional CT may show two materials with identical H values. You can't differentiate iodine or calcium. So then if you use dual energy, however, because iodine has a Kh, that is 3.2 keV, closer to the low energy spectrum used in DECT, typically 80 kVp, its attenuation increases significantly at that lower energy. So what is this meaning? Lower tube voltages, that is 80 or 100 kVp, they produce the spectrum with a higher percentage of photons near the K edge, that is near the 33.2 kV KH. So this low energy, if the X-ray tube has a low kVp, that is you are using 80 kVp, it produces this X-ray photons whose energy is nearer to this KH. So lower tube voltage produces spectrum with a high percentage of photon near this KH, that is 33.2 kV, maximizing the contrast to noise ratio for iodine. Iodine atoms absorb energy highly efficiently via the photoelectric effect, resulting in greater attenuation. Next is material decomposition. Using these distinct attenuation profiles, software can decompose a voxel into its constituent materials, allowing for creation of specific map, iodine only maps, water only maps, or the subtraction of material, that is removing bone. I hope you understood this. If you understand this, next topic will be on applications of dual energy CT. Thank you.